Hey everyone, it's Staci McKay with the McKay Real Estate Team, and today we're going over the top tips to buying a house. So stay tuned, those are coming up next. Step number one is you want to get your financial house in order. You want to look at your finances and find a payment that you're going to be comfortable with. Okay, so step number two is you want to find a good local realtor. Your realtor is going to guide you through this entire process. Step number three is you want to find a good local lender, and your realtor will give you a referral if you don't already know someone. A local lender is super important to make sure this process goes smoothly. Step number four is finding a house. Here you're going to go over your wants and needs and your must-haves, and it's also a good time to dig deep with anyone you're buying the house with to make sure you guys are on the same page. Some important things to consider are the location, the condition, and the type of house you like, and of course the budget you're working with. Step number five, making an offer and going under contract. Now your realtor is going to guide you through this process, so it's super important that you have a local experienced agent helping you through this. Now once you're under contract, you will be going through the home buying process, which includes escrow, inspections, requests for repairs, occupancy, verification of property condition, the disclosures, and all of this very important information that your realtor will be helping you with. All right, so after all of that, if you're ready to start the home buying process, reach out today. The McKay Real Estate Team is here to help.